All right, today I'm going to install some more Home Depot pre-built cabinets. So these aren't the best quality, but you can't really beat the price. I've used these before in other rental properties. They look great. The outsides are really durable, like they don't scratch very easy. The only issue is they're like this particle board, so if they get wet, kind of screwed. Here's the screws I'll be using for the cabinet going into the studs for hooking the cabinets together. I'm going to go through and just mark all my studs. I also took pictures behind these walls before I drywalled, so I kind of know where electrical and plumbing's at. So I need 30 inches here for a stove. So right here I need 24 inches for a dishwasher. Over here we got this bracing for the countertop. I need to run it right here for the dishwasher. I'm going to run some liquid nails in these gaps, let that dry before I cut my shims because they'll just vibrate out.